Ever had that moment of dread? You're at the counter, ready to pay with GrabPay, everything feels smooth, and then, transaction unsuccessful. It's a frustrating experience we've all probably faced, leaving us wondering, why did that happen? You're not alone, and it's certainly not always your fault. Let's break down some of the most common reasons your GrabPay transaction might have failed and what you can do about it. This is often the first suspect, and for good reason. It's easy to miscalculate or forget about a recent expense. Even if you think you have enough, a small difference can trigger a decline. Always double-check your GrabPay balance before making a significant purchase. You can quickly top up your wallet if needed, often directly through the Grab app using linked bank accounts or other payment methods. In our increasingly digital world, a stable internet connection is crucial. If your phone's data is spotty, or the merchant's Wi-Fi is unreliable, your GrabPay transaction might not even reach the server. This can result in a timeout or an outright decline. Try moving to an area with better reception or, if possible, connect to a more stable Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, simply restarting your Grab app can also resolve minor glitches related to connectivity. Let's be honest, technology isn't perfect. Grab systems, like any other, can experience temporary glitches or undergo scheduled maintenance. While these are usually brief, they can interrupt transactions. If you suspect a system issue, try again after a few minutes. You can also check Grab's official social media channels or their in-app notifications for any announcements regarding service interruptions. It sounds obvious, but a mistyped PIN or a failed biometric scan can halt your transaction in its tracks. In the rush of a payment, it's easy to make a small error. Take your time when entering your PIN and ensure your finger is correctly positioned for biometric authentication. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can usually reset it through the Grab app security settings. If you have a linked credit or debit card for GrabPay top-ups, an expired card can cause issues. Similarly, if your bank flags a transaction as suspicious, it might be declined. Always ensure your linked cards are up to date with their expiry dates and correct details. If you suspect a bank issue, it might be worth contacting your bank directly to confirm there are no holds or unusual activity on your account. For security reasons, GrabPay, like many digital wallets, might have daily or per-transaction limits. If your purchase exceeds these limits, the transaction will be declined. These limits can vary based on your account verification level. If you frequently make large purchases, consider verifying your GrabPay account to a higher tier if available, as this often increases your transaction limits. You can find information on your current limits within the Grab app. Using an old version of the Grab app can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with their payment gateway. Developers constantly release updates to improve functionality, enhance security, and fix bugs. Ensure your Grab app is always updated to the latest version available in your app store. While a failed GrabPay transaction can be frustrating, understanding these common reasons can empower you to troubleshoot the problem effectively. More often than not, it's a simple fix. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.